Hi friends, it's time for a new tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create a very creative and fancy text effect, maybe for some of your banners or social posts. Stay with me and let's go. I picked this image from pexels.com, link in the description. I choose this brand because I'm their big fan. Okay, the first thing is to separate the elements that we will blend the text. In our case, this is the right leg. In some other images, maybe you can try the object selection tool, but in this case will not work. That's why I will select it manually with the pen tool. I will make it a little faster only to show you the method, but when you do it, be very careful. Okay, we're ready with the pen tool. Right click and make selection, new selection, and with Ctrl Command J, let's copy to the new layer. Now let's add a new text layer and write Adidas. Okay, I have a font that is very similar to the original one. Maybe it's original, I'm not sure. And for this image, the white color, I think it's good enough. Let's increase a little bit. Okay. Let's duplicate this text layer with Ctrl Command J and right click on it and convert to shape. Now let's move this text layer below the leg and let's return to the shape. Let's remove the color of the shape and add a stroke with the same color, in our case white color. Let's try with 10 pixels. Okay, let's try 20. Okay, good. Now select these two layers and link them with this button. Now we can move the layers together. With Ctrl Command T, we can adjust the size, maybe something like this, okay? And that's the final result, before and after. You can move it anywhere you want. This text effect is very nice and fancy. The tutorial is very easy. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel for more videos and see you soon.